guess you're going to get on the other side. Okay, let her get over that way. All right, hold on until she sets down, okay?
Oliver, you gotta listen.
Okay, now bring this leg over and that leg over on the other side of the bar. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Now you can drive it. Okay, now you gotta wave. You've gotta wave to everybody. What's the name?
Oliver and Lucy.
Lucy?
Lucy.
Lucy. Hey, Lucy, look at Mom. Oliver, look at Mom. Hey, guys. Look, wave goodbye. Aren't you going to tell them goodbye? Oh, I'm going to be
Bye-bye.
It's over. Oh, no, don't go too fast because I fall off. Are you trying to knock me off? Okay, now.
Look over here. Somebody go get a picture of you.
Okay, come out this way.
Yeah. All right.
Lucy, come this way, please.
Let's just get out first. Get out first.
And there's a little police car to get in right now.
Thank you.
That's on. Oliver, back up. Oh, little police car, buddy.
I'm gonna get that one.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see it now.
Why?
Just for show, but.
Okay, switch.
Don't just switch every time.